You've all heard of this term, that is GDP. GDP refers to the sum total value of all the goods and services that are manufactured in a country. Now, that might sound quite complicated, but it's not so complicated because the formula is quite easy to remember. GDP can be calculated by taking the consumption, the investment, the government expenditure, plus the exports of a country minus the imports of a country will give you the GDP value. Now let's take, for example, the first part there, that is consumption. Now in Thailand, one of the largest automobile manufacturers would be Toyota. Every car of Toyota that is sold is going to contribute to the GDP of the country. And then you have investment. Investment here, for example, let's take Toyota again. If Toyota were to expand its factories, if they were to in fact add more locations where they want to manufacture their automobiles, that as well is going to improve the GDP of Thailand. Moving on, I refer to government expenditure. For any country, their biggest expender would be the government itself. So the government would spend its money on various activities, let's say for example healthcare, providing benefits to its citizens. All that would add to the GDP value. And then of course you have the exports. So all the goods that are manufactured in Thailand would be leaving Thailand and bringing in dollars into Thailand, and that will contribute to the export value. And then you have the imports, goods that are bought by Thailand from various countries across the world. So all this, if you were to add together, we're able to come across the big value that you see here, that is the GDP of Thailand, that is $387 billion.